Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observed the 130th birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru today at Congress Bhavan, Manipur. Congress leaders, MLAs and MPCC workers took part in the observance. Arunachal Pradesh Governor Brigadier Retired B.D. Mishra and Chief Minister Pema Khandu have extended their warm greetings on the joyous occasion of Children's Day being celebrated on November 14th across the country. The celebration commemorates the birth anniversary of the country's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology's Department of Forestry organized a one-day awareness program in Arunachal Pradesh. The program on impacts of climate change on bioresources and livelihoods of local people was held at Government Senior Secondary School, Seru Village near Tawang. The Supreme Court will today pronounce its verdict on petitions seeking a review of its judgment, giving a clean sheet to the Modi government in the Rafale fighter jet deal with French firm Dassault Aviation. On May 10, the Supreme Court had reserved the decision on the pleas, seeking a re-examination of its findings that there was no occasion to doubt the decision-making process in the procurement of 36 Rafale fighter jets.